Alright, this is a big cam sound on my stock Mustang. I think I have either my idle set too low or one of my sensors, or I don't even know, but listen to this. That clinking sound is over there. It's not my car. But this is my car.
What is that?
No interior, folks. Except for the seats. That 4 gauge. But we did a little project. We're waiting for the fan to kick on. I know I gotta clean this front screen here. Fan's still not on yet. Three for the win. My dog chilling. Got this for $5. Why not? Primer door. Yeah. Here she is. And you can see the choppy idle. Like right here. This vacuum hose. It's a really light vacuum hose, though, so up. Fan just kicked on. Alright, so we're going to shut her down now that the fan kicked on. Fan kicked on halfway. That's, just under halfway. This 286,000 miles. See how low that idle is. See when I kick on the AC. Even lower. It runs smooth after, 1200 RPM. Got my radio zip tied in. No bezel around there. Temporary patches. I got a new floor plan waiting. Yeah. And this is my friend's mini bike. Backfire, man. Gotta have some back pressure. Alright. Thanks for watching.